My internship was in Bank of Baroda in the financial inclusion department in Vadodara. In this lockdown, as we all know, that it was an online internship and it was a really difficult task to do. But my academics have played a very important role in that. I've studied how finance work, how finance has got to the very poorest of the poor, and how technology has enhanced a financial sector to the most. Here in my internship, I did the same. I researched along with my mentor in Bank of Baroda about the how financial sector is influenced by technology and how we can use technology to facilitate finance and include the poorest of the poor to the banking sector.
I did my internship in matrimony.com. So matrimony.com is a pure play internet company and it deals in weddings and matchmaking space. So I was a part of product and strategy team. So my basic role was to analyze the product, shape the product as per the changing needs of the customers in the wedding space. So I was working with the product team, the development team, the marketing team, and we had to shape the product as per the new preferences and the evolving needs of the customer. So I was reporting under the CBOs, and I was also, on the last day of the internship, I got a chance to present my work to the CEO of the company, matrimony.com, and the management was pretty happy about my work. They encouraged me and they thanked me for my contribution. So in an overall setting, I got to learn a lot of concepts, got to relate my learnings from MBA in a corporate environment, and I got exposed to product development, business model, marketing and consumer behavior. So basically every bit of the subjects that were covered in the first year, it was all very relatable to me.
I did my internship with JP Morgan Chase and Company, and it was a virtual training, and it was a one-of-a-kind thing for both me as well as the company, because this was the first time that the interns were doing it virtually. Nobody had experienced it earlier, but it was very smooth and easy. The HR made sure that we are comfortable. The company made sure that we have a lot of interaction with our managers, with eminent people, CEOs, and all big people. And probably because it was a virtual experience, we were able to meet people in the US. They were talking with us, we were interacting with us, and in a whole, it was a good learning experience.
I interned at Societe Generale, and there my role was to validate the P&L figures from the back-end office to the front-end office, and my department was the fixed income department. And there I interacted with my manager and his superiors, the HOD of fixed income, and the experience was pretty good because I got to have a hands-on experience on their portals and their softwares, and how various things work in the stock market, their stock market majorly.
Working in a credit rating agency was like a dream come true for me, and it really helped me to push my learning curve in the finance domain. I had the opportunity to talk and engage with top directors of CRISIL as well as the head of the GR and RS department, and it was very helpful for me to interact with them and develop myself in the terms of communication as well as my financial objectives and goals in the future.